Hi, my name's Gary McLean. This is my son Finlay, and we're here today with Zero Waste Scotland to cook some food. So I'm going to try and offer up some hints and tips on the best way of working with kids in the kitchen. So what we're going to be making here is a really simple bread, and we're going to stuff it with loads of stuff that I found in the fridge. So there's loads of jobs that young kids could be doing. Let's go. Right, so we'll get 450 grams of strong flour, 300 grams of water.
It looks like a spice.
It's not, it does look like a spice, doesn't it? But it's instant active yeast. So if you pop that in the water, yeah, and then we'll get a tablespoon of sugar, pour that into the flour. Next job, I need you to stir.
Mix more.
To mix that all in together.
So I'm doing most of the cooking.
You're doing all the cooking today. Right, tell everybody who's doing the filming.
Laura!
And who's Laura?
The camera woman.
The camera woman. You're a big sister. So, how does that look?
Good.
Good. So what we've got is a really loose kind of dough, and we're going to pop that onto the table. Just give it a little dust.
Like this.
Go for it. There we go. So what we want to do now is we'll get our bowl back.
Ooh.
What we have to do is we have to let it rest. So what we want to do here is just put this to the side anywhere at all. It should double and triple in size, and then it should be ready for the next stage. If you take your chair over and get your hand washed. So skills like washing hands, cleaning tables, simple things that just add up to building the skills of working in the kitchen. So we're going to cut the tomatoes in half.
Dad, don't cut yourself.
Well, the big thing is here is making sure you don't cut yourself.
Oh.
You're going to give it a go?
Like this?
I think it depends on your own kid, whether or not they let you chop. The other thing is as well, and I know it sounds mental, but the knife needs to be really sharp. Right, good technique. Right, slide. Watch that finger there. Watch your thumb. Right, that's us. I was really impressed there with him. The next job is we need some grated cheese.
Okay, I can grate cheese.
And have a wee look at our dough.
Oh,
It's about doubled in size. Right, next thing we want to do
is cut the thyme.
well, we've actually picked the thyme.
Cut
Right.
the bread. Like a salad pack. Oh, it's skinny.
Get all of those herbs in, and then if you can put in all those tomatoes and mix them up. Let's have a wee taste.
The filling looks good. Do you like it?
You try?
Okay, I'll try that.
Oh, it's tasty. Right, what's the golden rule when you're tasting food?
No double dipping.
No double dipping. So I've let the dough prove for about 20-25 minutes. What do you think of that?
There's a little bubble right there.
There's lots of bubbles there.
I'll pop.
Right, do you want to pop them all?
Yes.
Right, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Sprinkle our flour on the table, please. And even with the sound effects. Right. High five.
Okay, let's do that little bit.
There you go.
Wait.
So we're going to take a tray and
Spray it with oil.
a little bit of oil. We put it on the tray.
And you pour it in the...
Oh, look at that.
And you leave it there
What
to
do you
set.
think of that?
Mm.
So we're going to put the filling here. Let's get some cheese in there. We want to fold,
Oh, it's yellow.
fold. Right, what do you think? So what do we do now with this?
We need to wait for it to heat up
We need to cook it in the oven.
and heat it up.
Wow, check this out. What do you think of that? Watch it's hot, don't touch. What we're going to do is we're going to let it settle, right? And just let it all cool down. And then we'll cut it in a wee while once it's cool. I think you'll agree that Finlay has been absolutely amazing at making the bread today. Thanks to Zero Waste Scotland. It's been great fun filming here at home. Keep safe everybody, and enjoy cooking with your kids.